Electric bikes have taken the world by storm, offering a blend of eco-friendliness and efficiency for commuting and recreation. But what if you already have a bike you love? Enter the electric bike conversion kits, an innovative solution to upgrade your bike without starting from scratch. These kits provide a cost-effective way to turn your trusty bike into a powerful, modern e-bike. Stick around to learn which one suits your needs best, and don't worry, links to all the products are in the description below. Let's get started. The Bafang BBS02B is a top-tier mid-drive kit offering a perfect balance between performance and customization. Available in multiple power options, 250 watts, 500 watts, 750 watts, and 1000 watts, it caters to a wide range of riders, from casual commuters to serious adventurers. Its mid-drive design provides excellent torque, which is especially useful for climbing steep hills or navigating rough trails. The LCD display is not only intuitive, but also packed with features such as speed monitoring, battery level tracking, and adjustable pedal assist levels. The system is compatible with most bike frames, offering a seamless fit that retains the bike's original aesthetics. Installation, while manageable, does require basic mechanical skills, so beginners may need extra guidance. Its lightweight construction minimizes any impact on your bike's handling, ensuring a smooth and comfortable ride. However, the mid-drive system may require more frequent maintenance compared to hub motors. The higher-powered options are also likely to exceed legal limits in some regions, so it's essential to check local e-bike regulations. This kit is perfect for riders who value versatility, performance, and the ability to tailor their ride to different terrains. The AW e-bike conversion kit is a practical and budget-friendly option, ideal for those who want a straightforward way to upgrade their bike. Powered by a reliable 350-watt hub motor, it delivers smooth acceleration and consistent performance for urban commutes. The kit comes with a pre-installed motor on a durable aluminum wheel rim, simplifying the installation process for beginners. It also features a thumb throttle for easy control, making it perfect for stop-and-go traffic in busy cities. Although the power is sufficient for flat terrain, it struggles with steep inclines or off-road trails. The lack of an advanced pedal assist system makes it less versatile compared to other kits, but it compensates with affordability and ease of use. The motor operates quietly, making it a great choice for those who value a discreet riding experience. Its moderate speed range is perfect for riders looking to safely navigate urban settings without compromising on efficiency. While it doesn't include advanced features like LCD displays or customization options, it's an excellent choice for those who prioritize simplicity and functionality. If you're looking for a reliable, no-frills upgrade to your bike, the AW kit delivers excellent value for money. The Bafang e-bike rear kit with its 500-watt motor strikes a perfect balance between power and practicality. The rear hub design ensures better weight distribution and stability, making it an ideal choice for recreational riders and commuters. Its intelligent pedal assist system, PAS, provides customizable levels of support, enhancing comfort and control during long rides. The kit features an LCD display that offers vital riding metrics such as speed, distance traveled, and battery life, helping you stay informed and plan your rides effectively. Its 500-watt motor delivers smooth acceleration and enough power to tackle mild hills and varied terrain, although it may not be sufficient for steep climbs. The design integrates seamlessly with most bike frames, preserving the bike's original appearance while adding a layer of modern functionality. Installation is relatively straightforward, with clear instructions to guide users through the process. The motor is energy efficient, making it a great option for those who want to maximize battery life. However, it may lack the raw power needed for advanced off-roading or heavy-duty use. This kit is a dependable, well-rounded choice for riders who value a balance of performance, efficiency, and reliability. For power enthusiasts, the Pay 48-volt e-bike kit is a high-performance option with a 1000-watt direct drive motor. This kit is designed for those who crave speed and power, delivering thrilling acceleration and top-notch performance for off-road adventures. The reinforced wheel rim adds durability, ensuring it can withstand the demands of rugged terrain. A twist throttle provides precise speed control, making it easy to manage power output during intense rides. The motor operates quietly, allowing for an immersive riding experience even at high speeds. While its powerful motor offers exceptional torque, it comes with trade-offs, including increased weight and faster battery consumption. The kit is designed to be user-friendly, even for those new to e-bike conversions, with detailed instructions to simplify the setup process. Its robust construction ensures long-term reliability, but the larger motor size may impact the bike's overall handling. Additionally, its high power output may not comply with e-bike regulations in many areas, so it's best suited for private trails or off-road use. If you're ready to embrace speed and tackle tough terrains, the Jawopay kit offers a thrilling ride that's hard to match. The Pexmore e-bike conversion kit is a powerhouse with its massive 1200-watt motor, designed for riders who demand peak performance. Its rear hub motor provides exceptional torque and high-speed capabilities, making it an excellent choice for tackling steep hills or covering long distances. The kit features a digital display that keeps you informed about key metrics like speed, battery life, and assist levels, ensuring you're always in control. It supports both pedal assist and throttle modes, offering flexibility for a variety of riding styles and situations. The motor is built to handle heavy use, with a rugged design that can withstand challenging off-road conditions. However, the 1200-watt motor is overkill for casual riders and may require a higher capacity battery, increasing the overall cost. Its size and power also add significant weight, which could affect maneuverability. While it excels in performance, its high output may not comply with legal limits in many areas, so it's best suited for enthusiasts who plan to ride off-road or on private trails. For serious adventurers and long-distance riders, the PEX-MOR kit is a reliable and powerful companion. When choosing the right e-bike conversion kit, it all comes down to your specific needs and riding style. The Bafang BBS02B is the go-to choice for versatility, offering multiple power options and a mid-drive design that excels in both performance and adaptability. For urban commuters on a budget, the AW kit is a no-frills, affordable solution that delivers reliable performance for everyday use. The Bafang rear kit shines as a well-rounded option, providing a balanced mix of power and efficiency for daily riders and fitness enthusiasts alike. If you're a thrill seeker looking for speed and adventure, the Jawopay kit with its 1000-watt motor offers high-speed thrills and rugged durability. And for those who demand peak performance, the PEX-MOR kit is an unbeatable choice for tackling steep inclines, long distances, and challenging off-road conditions. Remember to consider your terrain, riding habits, and local regulations when making your decision. Each kit brings its unique advantages, whether you're upgrading for convenience, power, or adventure. No matter which kit you choose, transforming your bike into an e-bike will open up new possibilities and change the way you ride. Check the links in the description for more details or to make your purchase, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and buying guides. Until next time, ride safe, explore the world, and enjoy the journey.